Need a better way for your team to collaborate, organize information, and manage projects. Baserow makes it easy for multiple people to work with the same database, track progress, and stay aligned in real time. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Baserow for Teams in 2026. Start by signing into Baserow and creating a workspace for your team. A dedicated workspace keeps all team databases, tables, and projects organized in one place. Next, create a database based on your team's needs. This could be used for project management, customer tracking, content planning, inventory management, or internal operations. Add tables to organize different types of data. For example, you might have separate tables for tasks, team members, clients, deadlines, or resources. Open your workspace settings and invite team members using their email addresses. Assign appropriate access levels depending on their responsibilities. Choose who can view, edit, or manage information. Setting the right permissions helps protect important data while still allowing collaboration. Create custom views for different team members or departments. This allows everyone to focus only on the information that's most relevant to their work. Encourage team members to update records regularly. Keeping data current helps everyone stay informed and reduces communication gaps. And that's how to use Baserow for Teams in 2026. With shared workspaces, organized databases, and collaborative access, your team can work more efficiently and keep important information in one place. So set up your workspace and start collaborating today. Thanks for watching.